Hello, everyone. Welcome to my Way Easier Korean YouTube channel. This video was created for those who want to learn Korean for the first time. Let me introduce the Korean language briefly. The Korean language is called Hangul. In Korean, Hangul was created in 1443 by King Sejong and his scholars. Before the creation of Hangul, Korean people had used Chinese characters as written language, which was so much different from our own spoken language. Moreover, Chinese characters were difficult for people who were busy making a living to learn. King Sejong felt sorry for the people who suffered injustice because they did not know how to read and write properly. So he created 훈민정음 or Hangul that anyone could easily learn and use. Hangul is a very scientific alphabet in which the initial consonants are modeled after the human pronunciation organ. The middle vowels are modeled after sky, earth, and human. And the final consonants rewrites the initial consonants. For this reason, once you memorize the Korean alphabet, you can read it accurately and write down what you hear, even if you don't know the meaning. I believe that learning Korean is much easier than learning any other languages because I have often seen foreigners learn Korean and speak it fluently within a year. Learning a foreign language might feel like a long journey, but I am pretty sure that if you learn Hangul little by little every day, the day will come soon when you will be able to speak fluently and enjoy Korean dramas, movies, and K-pop without subtitles. Isn't it exciting?
Yay!
Here is an old Korean proverb I would like to share with you.
천리길도 한 걸음부터 천, 리, 길, 도, 한, 걸, 부터.
It means that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. I hope you will take the first step on this exciting journey with me. Before learning Hangul in detail in the next video, let's take a quick look at the Korean alphabet. Korean alphabet,
한글.
Now, we are going to learn about the Korean alphabet. Please do not memorize it now, just watch the video. I will let you know how to read, write, and memorize them later in the next video. The Korean alphabet includes 24 basic letters, consisting of 14 basic consonant letters and 10 basic vowel letters. Plus, there are 27 complex letters formed by combining the basic letters. 27 complex letters include 5 double consonants, 11 complex consonants, used only as final consonants, and 11 complex vowels. Using these letters, we are going to learn how to make syllables and words later. Before that, you should learn how to write and read
한글.
letters. Well then, shall we go learn the Korean alphabet?
화이팅!
Good luck! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like, it would be a great help for me. I will see you in the next video. Take care.
다음에 또 만나요.